Welcome. This is my model room now, my shop. This is Moth, or you can call me Tom Lino. This is my shop that I got a room given to me in some parts and pieces, and I just got it together. Let's see. Okay. Well, this is just a bunch of stuff. That's where I watch a lot of videos. Right down here. That's a tuner. That's an amplifier. Those are the speakers, and I just took it on when I come in if I need it. Yeah, radios. What else is down there? Yes, my name. Blue Sparkle. I play the drums, and I've got a couple drum sets out there and an electronic one. I'm going to put one in here because I seem to have room, so that's good. This is a Canadian flag. This is American flag. This is, well, I'm making it into a stash room, although I don't really have a stash. I guess I do. That's Frankenstein there, and a hippie Hemi, and a Nomad. Oh yeah, I got that. What is it? Gullios? Skyhawk. I bought that at 25 bucks years ago, but I wanted to build it. I kept it, and now you can't get one for less than 75. So let's see what else is new. Oh, these are a bunch of solvents and things. You know, where I guess we try to make homemade stuff, but anyway, all that stuff is necessary, and that's cool. Now, this is kind of a mess. Oh, I can, like this, and put letters on hats. I guess that's all it does. When I get something up my butt, I really want to get it. This is, well, that's messed up, but this is, that's the bat dehydrator, but I use it to dry model stuff. Well, it will be. I did with this other one. I should have gotten a different one. Anyway, I'm sorry about this camera. I built this. I know it's a mess. It really is. But I built it, and it's, whoa, sorry. And it's not held together with anything but glue and I don't know, putty or whatever they put around bathrooms and stuff. So yeah, this came from my nephew. He was also in the Marines. He was at Fallujah, and he brought that back. That's well, that's what you get after something like that. Paints. Now I've got paints. I've got alcohol paints because I wanted to, inks, because I wanted to check out putting that in a clear primer, and it works brilliantly. But man, was that messy. So I'm rethinking that stuff. I've got a few air things. I have a B-17 I want to build, and I don't have a lot of good stuff. This stuff I'm anticipating being very good. Pro Scale Paints. These guys, they're in the UK, and they got some awesome stuff there. And just the colors and seeing them, and see, I ramble. So I made my own wash. This is black wash. And it seems to be thin enough. It was like 5 mil of paint to 25 mil of water. And this one, because I wanted to see what it looked like. This is iridescent crimson wash. I have no idea what I'd ever use that for, but we'll see. You never know. Stuff as I was just impulse buying everywhere. And then let's see. Oh, that's part of a thing I'm doing. Going to be putting up that tells you a little bit about me. Oh, sorry. That up there, I got another one down there, but that was on my fire coat when I was in the fire department. I was in the fire department for 21 years. I guess I'm a life member there, so I'm still in, but 21 years active. I came out after I retired as assistant chief. Here's some more models. Now, I don't know about stash. Everybody has these stashes, and I wondered, what in the world? You know, how are you getting these stashes? I just can't imagine how you could just buy stuff like that. Now, I don't have a lot of money at all. I'm retired. I'm 66. And by gosh, I showed you a couple models that I had built that I was trying to do, but I didn't build them. I was getting them and working them. But you know, I looked around and I just realized I have 6 models on the way here from eBay and Amazon. There's a couple boats I want to build because I never built one. So not ships, but boats. Anyway, this is getting boring. So, and this is funny. That's my Dremel, of course, and I had this one, and then I decided I would get another one, so I did. And this one, they're kind of expensive. This one I got from $14.99 from Hobby Lobby. This one I got from, oh my goodness, Temu, and sometimes it works, whatever you're looking for. Yeah, now I'm understanding why nobody likes these one-handed. Yes, I need a stand. I'm sorry. Sorry. Hold on just a minute. Okay. I don't know if it's a sale or I got on one of their stupid deals or whatever they do, but this cost me $5.95. It's amazing. So I have enough Dremel stuff to last me well past my time. Okay. So anyway, oh goodness gracious, sorry, you landed in me, but that's what I got to do. I can't do editing and stuff. It's got to be here it goes. And there is, yes, that's first coat of primer. And I took it down. And I'm about to give some more. Let's see. This is my family. Granddaughter, grandson, daughter, granddaughter, sorry, wife. And they're a few years from now. This guy right here, that little guy, he's now 6'3", and he's 13 years old. Blows my mind. Anyway, I'm going to end this because I know that you're bored, and this is going to be ridiculously long. I will do the unboxing on that. You see that I had already gotten started with this stuff, but I don't know if you want something longer than 10 minutes listening to me go on. I mean, I got some good stories. I can tell you one about a time when I was in the Marines and we were on it's an amphibious landing ship. So it's an LPH, landing platform helicopter. So I was in a helicopter squadron, and so we were out heading down south someplace in 82. Anyway, we were headed down south, and I wanted to see, because the water was so brilliantly blue, I wanted to see the front of the ship cutting through the water. Well, there was no way we could do that, and that was fine. And actually, I didn't think of it until we got me and my friend Virgil were walking through these gangways, hallways and stuff, just seeing what we could see because we didn't have nothing to do. And so we went to, we opened the door, and there it was. It was like just like an open door to the sea and a little place to stand with a iron railing around it. And I could see just almost to it. I could almost see the front of the ship. So I told Virgil, I said, "Hey, hold my legs," and I hopped up over the the railing, and Virgil's like, "What are you talking about? I can't. What are you?" I said, "Just grab my legs. Just hold them from, yeah, right there. Hold them there, tight." I'm stretching out, and I grabbed my camera and I stretched out and I took a picture of the bow going through the water, and Virgil, he came through it all right. Anyway, yeah, now scared to death of heights, but back then, who cared, right? So I do have that picture still. So I shall show it at some point. I just gotta get up and walk like 20 feet. But I'm gonna end this now. Thank you very much for all of your encouragement. I hope this comes better, and I'm going to get a holder for this darn thing. But now you know I ramble, I write rambling. I'm learning how to be patient with stuff. This London cab means everything to me, and all your comments mean everything to me. So I guess it's gonna be yellow, but I might put some flowers on it, and I might cut a hole in it, and I might open up those fenders a little bit. I don't know. I gotta see how confident I am, because honestly, I don't have a ton of experience in this. Thank you very much. Talk to you later.